Hey, it's Kevin with Juggernaut USA. We got another new skid plate line coming out. This is the 2019 Plus Chevy and GMC 1500. We got a full line here with the front end engine, transmission, and transfer case. We'll go ahead and get ready for the install here. Hey, so we're doing the full install on a 2019 Plus GMC and Chevy 1500. First step here is to remove any plastic skid plates if you've got them on your truck. I've already done so. There's some clip nuts here, a couple of M8 bolts to pull those down. There's a couple up here on the frame rail on either side. They're kind of tucked up in here, but already taken those off. You may have a small metal plate for your transfer case back here. This truck did not have one, but we provide all clip nuts and hardware, regardless if you have those or not. Once those are removed, the first step is going to be to install these steel brackets. We got one for each side. I've already gone ahead and installed these M10 clip nuts on here. They'll go with the barrel side up like this. And we've got 1/2-inch bolts that will go through the frame, and I'll show you in just a sec here with the serrated nuts and washers. We'll jump into that install. All right, so I got the passenger side frame mount for the engine skid plate. Gone ahead and already put a dab of blue Loctite on the threads of these bolts. How this is going to install, this is going to go on the outside of this frame horn right here. And these bolts will go all the way through, just like that. And we've got our washers on this side. Then we've got our 2 serrated nuts here, which we will just thread on hand tight here. You want them to be able to wiggle a little bit, and we'll tighten them at the end. Nice thing about these serrated nuts is once they get a little pressure on them, they will hold, so you only really need to tighten the bolt side. But we'll do that, leave that a little loose like I said, and we'll go ahead and do the other side. All right, now that we've got those tight, we're ready to go ahead and put these skid plates on. Let me grab these skids, and we're gonna be using M8 bolts for these 4 cross-member locations, and then these 2 on the steel brackets that we just installed are M10. So we'll get our bolts ready and grab the skids. All right, so this is gonna be your front skid plate. It's got a little lip up here that will slide just above your bumper, just like that. Kind of shimmy that into place. We'll grab 2 M8 bolts that I've already put some blue Loctite on. Get those lined up with these clip nuts. We'll just thread those in. A couple turns here, so we got room to put on our engine skid plate behind this. And that front lip will hold up the front end. Grab our 2 M10 bolts. Thread these into steel brackets. All right, and now we're ready to install the engine skid plate. We'll go ahead and grab that. All right, so we've got our engine skid plate here. It's slotted on the front end. So we will slide this right above the front skid that we just installed. Just lining those up just like that. Grab our last 2 M8 bolts. We'll thread these into the back engine cross member. Just like that, and we'll leave a little gap for the transmission. All right, so for the transmission skid, we've already got our M8 bolts installed on the front. We do need some clip nuts on the transmission cross member here. We're gonna use our M10 clip nuts here. So there's gonna be 3. I've already installed one. This is the passenger most side. And then we'll do this guy right here. Sometimes it's helpful to grab a flathead screwdriver so that you can pry a little bit, get these going. And they will snap into place when they're just like that, in the right spot. And this one, there's two here. We're only gonna use one of them. The front of the truck is this way, so it's gonna be the forward-most one. We got that guy right here. And for the transfer case, we're gonna do one on either side here. All right, those are ready to go. We'll grab the skids. All right, so we're ready to install the transmission skid plate here. So this one slotted at the front. So we're gonna go above our engine skid plate here. Slot that into place. We'll grab our 3 M10s, line that up with our clip nuts here. And again, I put blue Loctite. Any of the bolts that are going into these clip nuts, we will use blue Loctite that's provided in your kit. All right, and with that, we can go ahead and put our transfer case skid on. Got that right here. And that is just gonna line up top of the transmission skid. We'll grab our final 2 M10 bolts, line those up with the clip nuts that we just installed. All right. Now that we've got everything finger tight, we'll go ahead and tighten everything just to kind of run back to front here. All the M10 bolts will be 35 foot-pounds. M8 bolts will be 25. The M10s up here will be 35 as well. As long with the 1/2-inch bolts, we'll do 35 foot-pounds on those as well. We're good to tighten everything up and your install will be complete.